What's going on, everybody? So this is gonna be my very first Forza guide. So you might be asking yourself, King Creeper, what is that? Or, broken. Well, today, that's what I'm gonna be showing you how to do. This is my Chevy Nova Super Sport show car edition. Now you can tune this, and basically, it looks very broken, and it's called a show car because the front is higher than the back. And I'm going to be showing you that today. This is only one of my cars. I have two of them. This is the first one. Now, this thing looks broken. It looks undrivable. However, go ahead and get in it. Hold up. Purrs like a kitty. This thing runs and it works. Sorry, I have to. Hold up. Out my hand. Hold up. I'm talking about okay, I gotta sit down for this. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that. So, there we go. So, preferably, now I don't want to ruin any of my other cars, so I'm just gonna go buy one. Now, I personally myself, I prefer old cars. But hey, you can use any car you want, any car that you have, any car that you can buy. Pick a car. It does not matter. I personally myself prefer old cars. Old Chevys, old Fords, or Buicks. Not gonna buy one of those. Those are expensive. Make sure now. I was gonna choose an El Camino, but yeah. You know what? I'm actually gonna go choose an El Camino. Just real quick. There we go. On the colors option, I was gonna choose preferably. Okay, I didn't see anything. Okay, good. Here's paint jobs. Not good paint jobs. You know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna choose that. I'm not gonna choose that El Camino. What can I choose? This thing is. I'm not gonna make another Nova. Bel Air's too expensive. Unity may be too old. May not look good. Oh yeah. You know, yeah, okay, so we're gonna do the F-150 Unity. Chevy had F-150. The 150 before, or Ford. Alright, let me just, make sure everything's in the clear. We're in the clear. Okay, now, first of all, I gotta choose something really good. Choose something really good. Missile 55. Is it gonna be a missile? Oh my gosh. Looks beautiful. Supposed to be Bob Ross. I think that's supposed to be Bob Ross. Okay. Time to buy this thing. It only cost me 35 grand, a bargain. Alright, so anyways, so basically you gotta go buy it real quick. You know, buy whatever car you want. I preferably chose the F-150 Unity. Then what you gotta do, you can do whatever you want with this car, truly, but this is what you specifically need in order to tune it. So what you gotta do, you gotta go into my car, you gotta go, okay, wow, give me a minute, okay, so what you need to do, you need to go into upgrades and tuning after you go into my cars, and go to customize. Then, what you need to do whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and convert this thing to all-wheel drive real quick, because I love myself some all-wheel drive, maybe, and tune up that aspiration. YouTube, calm down. I did not say the word that you think I just said. So anyways, choose whatever you want. I personally, with front bumper, uh-oh. Hold on, my hand's getting irritated again. Sorry, it's, like, really hard for me. Maybe remove that back bumper. Yeah, you can do that if you want to. Put a nice old hot rod engine into this thing. Okay, that's not important. If you want to get specifically right to details, you gotta go into performance. Gotta go to right here. This one on the upgrade shop, the performance and handling. Then what you gotta do is you gotta go over to suspension and springs. There are a lot of them, but any of them that say unlocks dampening and tuning, that's what you need. And you need this one. There are a lot of options. These don't give you that. There's this that looks nice. But nah, this is what you need. Tall boy style. Tall boy style. Yeah, this is not gonna be my fastest. So, let me give you a moment here, guys. Hold up. Don't know how to cut it. Where can I put this? Okay, audience, hold up. You. You know what, never mind. Just give me a moment as I upgrade my car. This part is not, this part of the video is not important. I just need to upgrade everything. If you guys really want something good, go to weight reduction. Reduce the weight. Sorry that this is really, really bad. First attempt. Don't mind me. Crap. Driveline. Only one? Differential. This is not all an option. You could do what you want. And also, if you want to, change the tires. Good old tires. And thick up those back tires. There we go. Getting to come together. And I always have this iconic thing. Instead of upgrading all the engine, just intake, exhaust, twin turbo. And now we're done. Yes, this cost me almost 50 grand. Does it look like I care? No. Luckily today, I sold a really, really nice car. A Lexus ISF, which is really, really rare. And, car mastery. Let me just do that real quick. There we go. And this guy bought it out for $1,750,000. So first of all, then you gotta go to springs. And then you gotta go to ride height. You can customize this. And what you need to do if you want to get that look, you click apply, then click yes. And then it should look like this. And there you have it. Now to prove that's drivable, we're gonna go out here. And yes, I turned off CB radio so I do not get copyrighted. Okay, YouTube, calm down. So anyways, it's gonna be kind of hard for me because I need to use both of my fingers. So, give me a minute here. Oh my gosh. Be right back, audience. Well, okay, so you now know that it works. Now, this car is not the best car. I have an Impala, a Chevy Impala Super Sport that really works. But as you can clearly see with the upgrades, this thing works. This thing really, really works. Be careful not to hit any of the AI. I'm coming up on somebody right here. And yes, I'm on multiplayer. Uh-oh. And also, you can go off-road. Okay. Hold up. Gotta go through my messages here. Let me just go ahead and head back to the festival. This is actually a quicker way. If you go to cars and sorry, voice crack. Instead of fast traveling there for money, I only have to use 800 credits, which is pretty dang cheap, Now, what you can do is that you can make trophy trucks with this. I already did that because this angle allows your back tires to hit down first. And if you saw that, yes, that was a Bugatti. I own one of those. That was really expensive. Let me find it. This thing. It's a show truck, but the back is not as angled down. Like, I didn't slam it like the other one. I also did one with a GMC, if I can go find that. Yeah, it's this thing. So anyways, guys, yeah, if you guys see this, yeah, the Baja stuff. Yeah, so anyways, guys, yeah, I tried to make it look like that, the Bel Air, but, I have to, like, raise that thing, like, by a lot. And, so yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are enjoying the content, please like this video and subscribe, as always. If you're subscribed, hit the bell if you enjoy my content, if you guys want to get notified. Yeah. Also put in the comments if you think... No, wait, there's not going to be comments. This is a kid-friendly video. Frick. Anyways, so, yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.